Are you camera shy but want great wedding photos? Then carry on watching. Hello, I'm Georgia McGilly from Georgia-Beth Photography, and in these videos I answer a quick wedding planning question in under 2 minutes. The phrase I really often hear is, we both hate being centre of attention, we feel really awkward in front of a photo, we've got no great photos of the two of us together, so we're really nervous about our wedding photos. And this is something that I love to talk about, because actually if you choose a wedding photographer that you know is friendly and relaxed and you're going to really get on with and gel with, then you don't need to worry. I've just got a few tips for you. So the first one is just be you. Wedding photos are so much better when you're comfortable with each other and you've got to know your photographer and you feel comfortable with him or her as well. So just be happy being you. Make those silly jokes that you do normally when you're at home. Do those silly things. It's fine. We love it. We love capturing you as your true self. And then the second thing is trust your photographer. For me, I have a very natural approach to photographing my couples. I will just give you very clear guidance, tell you to hold hands, walk towards me, give her a spin, squeeze from behind, and I'll just give very clear instructions, which means you get some really lovely photos, but there's not any moments where you're just stood still awkwardly smiling at the camera and kind of wondering what to do with your faces. So those are my 2 tips. Make sure that you just be yourself. And then secondly, you've hired a photographer to do their job. Make sure they're the type of photographer that you know that you're going to be comfortable with the types of photos. If their images look a bit too posy compared to what you want, then go for somebody else. Find somebody that you know that you're going to feel comfortable with, and then just trust them to do their job. So I hope you really enjoyed that 2-minute answer. I will be doing so many more questions and answers on this channel over the months to come. So go ahead and make sure you hit subscribe and hit like, and go ahead and share this video if you found it useful. I'll speak to you soon.